Good day guys, are you looking for 20 tester? This is an easy way to get your 20 tester just for $5. You can see this already has a 20 tester and it's been running continuously for 9 days. So this is not the only application I use this for. So let me scroll down, let me show you more application. It's just for $5. Just inbox me with the number on the screen, then I will help you to get the 20 tester, which will be outdated for 20 days. As you can see, this is 9 days continuously. So now let me show you how this application is live on Google Play Store right now. So, and as you can see, this application is live in production. So now let me click on this view on Play Store. Let's see if Australia on Google Play Store. As you can see, this is our dashboard. So let's view this application on Google Play Store. Okay, as you can see, this is the application. Is currently live on Google Play Store right now. So all you just have to do is to inbox me with the number in the description as well as the screen. Just inbox me and tell me that you need a tester, then I will get that for you just for $5. What are you still waiting for? Message me now. Bye. So guys, I'll be dropping more videos about Operator 24, so make sure you stay tuned. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be dropping some amazing tutorial about Operator 24 soon. Thank you guys for having me. Bye.